In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove your fly screen from an aluminium sliding window. Let's get straight into it. Good to see you back for another inspired DIY video. I'm Kent. This is going to be a quick one. So whether it's to wash your windows or to replace your fly screen, it's really quick and easy to remove your fly screen from an aluminium sliding window frame. We need to start by taking out the glass window pane first. So open it a little. Slide it up into the track at the top, pull it out of the channel at the bottom. Now the bottom of this window is going to be dirty, so set it aside on a towel or somewhere where it doesn't matter. If you've got pull tabs on your fly screen, it's a good indicator of which way it needs to be pulled or lifted or moved in order to get it out. We don't have any pull tabs on this fly screen. What I'll do is get my thumbnails into this spline groove at the top, lift it all the way up so the fly screen is now up in its top channel, and that releases it from the bottom channel. Wiggle it side to side and pull it towards you, and then we can just lower that down. That's the fly screen removed. Our kitten has had an absolute field day and destroyed this fly screen. Admittedly, it's probably a bit old and brittle now. We're going to replace it with a pet mesh, which is 6 times stronger. I've never used it before. If that video interests you, I'll add a link to that video in the description below. If this is your first time on my channel and you want to learn how to fix things around your house, subscribe, join me and get inspired to take on projects and get things fixed at your place. Reinstalling this fly screen is a little different to how we took it out. This is the technique I use. The top corner goes up into that top channel. This right hand side top corner we'll put in the side channel. As we lift it, we'll straighten it all the way until the fly screen's now square or straight and up in that top track. Push it in at the bottom and just use your thumbnail in those spline grooves there to manipulate the fly screen so it sits in its channels all the way around. Hopefully this demonstration helped. If you found the video helpful, give it a thumbs up. I appreciate that. See you on the next video.